Kenang baka jingwan jong kipat ba syaka concert jong Ed Sheeran haka khat arterik mentau benai Madan JN Stadium kan long kabayad bet na kaliang keyboard district ke East Khas Hills ringkat baka tanat tourism kila penmi kat tu kat ni ki jing penbana pat ba abakran bekila pathai kubor haka sining kong ke deputy commissioner ke East Khas Hills kong RM Kurba kala pentem ba antat kin poi hadu kumba arun riu hajar ngut ki pat e jingrai ki banwan na keleng syakatai tamasa ka banlong hakani ke sengi balang kumta kala pentem baya ka kerdam kin sedang peli nadu kapor sau beje janmi khnang baki pat ba kin la ban rung lupa kham kloi bat ka weiru namar ba ki dan tang arteli ki jakar rung haka jo kapor kala pentep pan bakin dan hadu lai teli ki jaka mi ka DC kala pentep ru ba annum sha satyai ki khana ba po sansnem bakin rung shapoh ka concern nangta ko ongru baki tiar baki pat ba kila ban ra shapoh kin deibet tang ki mobile phone ki shabi kali ni skuti batru ka plapisa halor ka jingkeli ka DC kongru baki board district kim dan jingthmu e man khang ki school hakatai ka sngi badon concern.
People have bought the tickets. The timing, as you all know, is we opening the gate at 4 o'clock. And we are a little bit concerned because this time we have just 2 entry points. So that's why we've called for this meeting, just to kind of alert all those people who are coming for the concert to kindly come early so that there's no kind of rush. Because now for the scanning part, I'll request Nikita to explain. But I just want to tell you a few points to be noted. The timing, as I said, is 4 o'clock. Total number of gates only 2, and that is from the main gate, where the vehicle go to, and then we also have the one from Golf Lane. Then we're going to close the road leading to the Golf Lane. To the JN Stadium at 3 p.m. So just like the earlier arrangement for Ryan Adams, we're going to have the same arrangement for traffic. At 3 p.m. we're going to close, and then and other things that needs to be kept in mind is that 3 items which we allow the spectators to carry. That is their mobile phone, their keys, and their wallet. That's it.
Habia pan bat ka jingpen bet kali uhe pulit ke district ba Vivek sim ula pentem makin dan bon teli bha ki nu entry point lani ki jaka ba annum sha rung kali la pentep ru ba ka jing pen bet bon teli bha ki jaka yeng kali khnang ba ki pat ba ken la ban pen yeng ya ki kali jongki hakate ka sngi habaya pan bat ka bor pahara USP ulethu bakin dan lai jaka ki jaka talasi haswa bagi padba kenrung sha stadium wangru bagi pulet kenya trailang bagi bor pahara balapan kre na benta katai ka tamasa.
For the last line items and all that, we saw they were seamless. Public was informed beforehand, and most people didn't venture to that place, to the polo area unnecessarily. So it was seamless in the last event. I'm sure this time also it will be seamless. We have sensitized our policemen for emergencies, for any emergency ambulances or otherwise any private vehicle on an emergency taking somebody who is ill or something, we'll allow that. So any vehicle on an emergency basis will allow passage.
Briefly give you an idea of the diversions and the junctions where regulations will be made. The regulations will start from 3 p.m. because as what Madam has said, 4 p.m. the gates will open. So the first place where regulation point would be no entry at Longjing Shai Junction towards CRPR Junction Polo, no entry at Longjing Shai Junction towards Forest Colony. Vehicles out there will be diverted towards Lamani Junction and beyond. Then number 2, no entry at Lamani Junction towards Polo. Vehicles will be diverted to Longjing Shai, Jingthangprio and Jaya. No entry at Golf Link Tri Junction towards Polo. Here vehicles will be diverted towards Mauro Tri Junction and Tiara Restaurant Junction. No entry at City Hut Dhaba Junction towards Polo, the one-way road. Vehicles will be diverted towards Oakland Road. No entry at BJP office towards Oakland Road and Polo. Vehicles there will be diverted towards CS Junction. No entry at PK Vijole Junction towards Fort Furlong. Vehicles will be diverted towards Shillong Commerce College Junction and beyond. No entry at no entry at Gurdwara Junction towards St. Anthony's College. Vehicles will be diverted towards Lower Lashmia and Arjun Point. Regarding the parking arrangements, we have a number of places where the general public can park. The first one is the Redfield Golf Link, that is just opposite the golf retreat. The second one is the roadside parking, one side only from Tiara Restaurant Junction to the CFS. The third one is the roadside parking, one side only around the golfing area. That means from Golf Club to Old PTS and Tiara Restaurant Junction. Then the roadside parking, one side only from FCI Junction to Lobjingshai Junction. Another place where they can park is the State Central Library campus and the State Convention Center campus. Those places where the general public can park their vehicles. Like what ma'am was saying, we just want to urge the public that during ingress, they should not be pushing and heckling. There are 2 gates for entry, and so we urge people. There are turnstiles out there. There are about 8 channels where people will have ingress. So you have 3 points of checking. One is the first soft check, where actually people will show their bands, and that's a visual check. That's the first soft check. The hard check, when you reach the turnstiles, where you'll have DFMDs, and frisking is out there. The last is also just a soft check before you enter the stadium. So these are the arrangements made in place. The police arrangements are we are handling the periphery and also the inside, along with the security component of the event managers.